Welcome everyone to Mindful Parenting with Shruti and Saral Parenting from Zainab. And it's a first step you all are taking for mindful parenting. So hats off to you all and a great clap for all of you who are joined today to know about digital parenting. So we all know that nowadays the kids are swiping before speaking, and parents are really worried about and unsure from where you to begin. So today I have with me the early childhood educator and the great parenting coach, and who do all things with Saralta. I feel that's why the name is Saral Parenting. So because our all videos are really nice. So welcome our guest today from Saral Parenting, Zainab Lakrewala from Mumbai.
Thank
So
you so much,
welcome, Zainab.
Shruti. Thank you so
Welcome.
much. I'm
It's
really excited to dive deep into this topic.
yeah. So let's start with it. So as you know, that studies showed that every child gets exposed to screen in I think 10 to 12 months, as per
Yes.
research. But
Yes.
even I have seen few reels wherein like the child is born and in a month, I think they are just scrolling their screens. They are able to do this swipe from their finger.
Right.
So somewhere I feel that mobiles are becoming their first teachers.
Mm.
So, what do you think? How it is going to affect, and what is the parent role in this? Is it correct to, if a child is swiping before speaking, how is it affecting them, and how parents can, avoid it?
So first of all, um, we live in a world of technology where जो phone है हमारा हाथ का extension हो गया. Like now, I mean, the moment the kids are born, they are seeing the parent or the caregivers with the phone. So it's become like this normal thing that is happening for them, if you see from their perspective. But it can be very messed up from the understanding of how a child needs to be raised. The simple meaning is because even if we see reels, like
Right.
Shruti, you and me, we are sitting and watching a reel. Kahan time nikal jata hai, we don't even know, right? We are struggling to put off the phone. So imagine what kind of a world we are living in, where we're not able to, as adults with our own developed minds, we are not able to separate the phone from us. So imagine a very small child who is trying to explore the world needs a very slow paced understanding of everything. So even when we talk about toys, we want कि भाई बच्चा active toys नहीं use करा, something that is working by itself with a lot of noise, with a lot of things that is happening on itself. We want things that are passively introduced to the child, and the face and the human touch and the human communication. So that's what's lacking if the child is being introduced to phones at a very young age.
Yeah, right. And I think as per even American Academy of Pediatrics, they even researched and said that the excessive links they have linked that the child who has more screen time is more, prone to virtual autism as well as
Yes.
normal autism. And there are speech delays and attention time are also being observed over there.
Yes, yes, yes. Very true, Shruti. So the thing is that even I myself got cases where the child is watching excessive hours of screen, especially starting with COVID. तो जब बच्चा कोविड में था तब देख लिया, maybe schools were online, so the child was, especially a very young child. So the moment they got hit in the age after COVID, and offline school started and everything, the child is having speech delay, virtual autism, as you said, a lot of I could say misbehavior also coming out from that, where the child is having excessive tantrums, excessive aggression. The parents are not able to handle what has happened to our kid. But it's all been because of long hours of screen.
Right. So, are we actually? I think it's because of the knowledge parents don't have, because they don't
Hmm.
understand the importance of early childhood education. They
Hmm.
feel like कि ठीक है क्या हो जाएगा. So
Yeah.
they don't know the pros and cons of this. That अगर हमें at least I think till 1 year तो बिल्कुल बच्चों
Yeah.
को मोबाइल scroll करना ही नहीं चाहिए. There is no point, even mothers who are feeding should not use mobile at that
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. So I think, Shruti, it comes with both the aspects. One is that normal American pediatrician, and there have also been case studies कि 3 years तक, मतलब I feel there is no need to show a child a
Yeah.
phone जितना हो सके. And if a parent is using also, see, we are again with developed minds, we have that understanding, we are able to somewhere detach. We're not that addictive. We are like, we know, okay, कहाँ पे time pass हो रहा है. So we are able to segregate. Now, बच्चा जिसका mind ही develop नहीं हुआ हो, they are not able to segregate. They are not even understanding what is real and what is, what is happening real
Right.
wise. They cannot segregate that. So for the child, usage of phone should not be there only for many years also. Like even if my son, he's watching, his daddy sitting or I am sitting with a phone, it's very basic that he's being accustomed to. He's 5 years old. So that much in sense कि हाँ मतलब कुछ फोटो देख लिया कुछ वीडियो देख लिया is okay, but बताना ही नहीं है because we most of us have TVs in our home. So it's better to come to a TV where the screen is big, the
Right.
child can have a distance. बिकॉज फोन इतना छोटा है तो आप जाओगे ही नजदीक देखने के लिए. इवन वी आर लुकिंग एट इट फ्रॉम अ वेरी क्लोज वे. सो दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ चाइल्ड. और बहुत आपने जैसे बोला द अर्ली एजुकेशन is so crucial. There have been immense studies done on the early childhood education, the child wanting to use the senses to understand the world. और अगर वो फोन देख रहा है तो उसके सेंसेस सिर्फ आई स्टिम्युलेट हो रही है और इतनी स्टिम्युलेट हो रही है कि बच्चा is having other problems altogether.
एंड सबसे पहले जो है ना, व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज व्हेन पेरेंट्स कम टू मी, वो कभी भी ये नहीं कहते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा, व्हेन दे कम विद अ प्रॉब्लम, तो प्रॉब्लम कभी भी ये नहीं होता है कि वो ज्यादा टीवी देखता है. हमेशा प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या होती है जैनब, कि वो बोलता नहीं है, वो बोल नहीं रहा है. तो दे कम विद दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड व्हेन आई डायग्नोज, तो ये पता चलता है कि ऑल दिस इज रिलेटेड टू, या वो खाना नहीं खा रहा है, तो दे डोंट नो, उनको पता ही नहीं कि वो प्रॉब्लम है. और हमेशा डिटेक्ट वही प्रॉब्लम होती है बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस इश्यूज. सो we need to be very much aware ki, and also one thing I just want to highlight here, और टू ऑल पेरेंट्स की, एक ना आप लॉक लगा के रखो, बिकॉज जनरली दादा दादी के मोबाइल में, आई हैव ऑल्सो डॉटर्स, सो शी इज लाइक दे टेक देम, बिकॉज उनके पास वो दे डोंट पुट पासवर्ड. सो ऑलवेज पुट पासवर्ड्स इन योर फोन एंड डोंट पुट दैट इजी पैटर्न्स, बिकॉज किड्स आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट नाउ. सो मेरी डॉटर तो इवन पता है, मतलब इफ आई डू लाइक दिस एंड मैं पैटर्न डालूंगी तो मेरी फिंगर से पीछे से ही शी विल नो. सो नाउ आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग माय थंब एंड अदर 2-3 थिंग्स. सो वो भी बहुत, बिकॉज चिल्ड्रंस आर नाउ मोर इंटेलिजेंट. सो कीप द थिंग्स जो यूजफुल हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी पैटर्न बना दिया, टी बना दिया, सिंपल पैटर्न्स रखे और उसमें वो बच्चे ने कर लिया. सो कीप दैट पासवर्ड थिंग विल ऑल्सो वर्क in case of at least 5 years. So I recommend everyone to do that. And so there is one more thing, Zinab, like you are in early childhood education and also I have an experience of Montessori. So generally when parents come to me, what I realized is that from early childhood education, they think like A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, हमारे बच्चा तो ABCD बोलता है, Apple बोलता है, he speaks very good English. So I want you here to tell our people what exactly this early childhood education is about.
I think a very good question by you, Shruti. So one thing to understand is कि हमारा focus, and even with awareness, our focus is still been on ABCD, और ABCD से बढ़ के अभी phonics पे आ गया है, right? So we are revolving around that basic understanding. और and the schools, in fact, why to kind of let down, schools भी यही expect करते हैं, बच्चे को ABCD आ रहा है, are they able to speak, and interviews are done for the parents, interviews are done for the kids. And actually, if you go to see, the best way for a child to learn is through play, especially till 6 years. I would rather, in fact, I would agree that I send my kid to the school only for the reason कि मुझे थोड़ा टाइम मिल जाए और बच्चा थोड़ा socially skills acquire करे, which he already has, but just to be in another environment, to learn, how to be amongst people, communicate. For me, not at all it has been that वो ABCD सीख ली, क्योंकि मैंने बुक से पढ़ाया भी नहीं उसको पहले. And people used to come and ask him, do you know ABCD? I'm like, I have not taught him ABCD, Whatever I've taught him is through reading books, and he's learned quite enough. Because जब आप बच्चे के साथ बैठ रहे हो, if you're communicating with your child in whatever language feels comfortable to you, or you're reading or telling stories to your child, they're already grasping the level of language and communication and so many other things. Play is the best way for the child to learn problem solving, decision making. अगर वो कुछ building बना रहे हैं Legos से, या just blocks, and that's falling, the amount of failure and how to deal with that failure and mistakes, that also they are learning from that, right, Shruti? So they don't really need to go with that classic conventional ABCD, because that is going to happen, eventually. We're not saying that studies are not important, or I'm trying to put that down.
fault. I think they are the byproduct, you know,
Yes,
because they are
yes,
the byproduct.
exactly.
And even I want to share, like with my daughter also, I never, you know, taught her, like I never hold her pencil. मैंने कभी उसकी
Hmm.
pencil नहीं पकड़ी. But she used to play with
Yeah.
play-dohs, and you know वो काफी उस टाइप का
Hmm.
हैंड वर्क करती थी मिट्टी
Hmm.
में और ये सब नेचुरल. सो उसने जब फर्स्ट टाइम लिखा तो उसको कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. इवन हिंदी वाज रियली टफ की ह एंड द. सो आई फाउंड कि वो आराम से कर पाए थे, बिकॉज हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि फाइन मोटर स्किल्स कितनी जरूरी है. हमें लगता है
Exactly.
सो वी फोर्स इट. सो आई थिंक कि ये वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट है फाइन मोटर स्किल्स, जो अर्ली चाइल्डहुड एजुकेशन है, उस पर थोड़ा पेरेंट्स शुड वर्क ऑन दैट. तो
Yeah.
बाकी सब बाय प्रोडक्ट है, अपने आप बच्चा एबीसीडी भी सीख जाएगा.
Yeah, and
और
to add to this, Shruti, हम parents है ना, what to say, unnecessary stress ले रहे हैं, especially because of society, or maybe because we are comparing our kids to other kids, and the social media for us is also, parenting in this digital age is not just for our kids, it's for us also, because the amount of
definitely.
pressure we have when we see other influencers, इतनी activities करवा रहे, and like we have not planned anything for the summer. The best way, like as a parent coach and everything that I've done with my son, you don't need to every time plan things with your child. Let them do the free play, because वहां पे जो growth हो रही है, activities definitely are one part of it. पर उसमें हम stress ले लेते हैं, and then we are stressing when the child, suppose I just remember my child was very small, जब वो like 1 year or something, and I'd seen some activity with some balloon, okay, and I like चलो ये activity उसके लिए मैं I prepared an elaborate activity for him. He did nothing and he did something else only, Shruti. And
Yeah.
I was like, अरे बाप रे, इतनी मेहनत करके रखी थी मैंने, कुछ उसने किया नहीं. And that's when I realized that I don't need to put so much effort. Just the fact that I spend quality time with my son,
Right.
and also letting him be and play with open-ended toys, that's enough. That you're doing a lot for your child.
राइट. सो इवन फॉर पेरेंट्स आई जस्ट वांट टू हाईलाइट हियर कि आपको ना कुछ खरीदने की भी नीड नहीं है. आप किचन छोड़ दो बच्चे के पास, एंड वो ना उससे टावर बना लेंगे, लेगोस बना लेंगे, वो सब कुछ बना लेंगे.
Very
So
true, very
so
true.
give them a free play. And so coming back to like digital, so Zainab, one more thing I want to ask you कि don't you think कि पेरेंट्स ना कहीं उन्होंने आउटसोर्स कर दिया है टू यूट्यूब, और यूट्यूब को एबीसी, इवन एबीसीडी भी पेरेंट्स
Yes.
खुद नहीं सिखाते हैं. सो आई हैव सीन सम पेरेंट्स हु यू नो हु किड्स वो ऐसे बोलते हैं एंड यू नो लाइक
Yes.
दे आर नॉट लर्निंग फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. पेरेंटिंग लर्निंग इसमें भी इज मूव टू यूट्यूब एंड अदर एप्स की इस ऐप से सीख लो बेटा, लगा दिया टीवी में और बच्चा वो राइम्स करें. दे आर सो हैप्पी कि अरे हमारा बच्चा तो वही सेम लैंग्वेज बोल रहा है, वो हमारी मदर टंग में तो बोलता ही नहीं है, वो एक फॉरेन लैंग्वेज कुछ है,
Yeah.
बीपीज है और बहुत सारे हैं, तो वो उसी तरह
Yes.
से ही बोलने लगते हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि हाउ इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग देयर हेल्थ? बिकॉज वन मोर थिंग कि कनेक्शन भी इसमें लूज होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि बच्चों से कनेक्शन बनाओ, सो अगर बच्चा यूट्यूब से सीख रहा है या ऐप से सीख रहा है तो वो कनेक्शन कितना बना पाएगा?
So what is happening, which you said ना, बच्चे foreign accent बोल रहे, because बचपन से अगर वो वाली accent is what they are listening, as language develops between two people.
Yeah.
तो first तो उसने passive consumption कर दिया language का, because the child they are saying and he's just listening. और communication real में कब develop होती है, जब हम दो जन, as if you and me are talking, we are nodding to each other, we are acknowledging what the other person is saying. ये सब miss हो रहा है. दूसरी बात वो है कि problem is YouTube Kids is so messed up that with all the security measures, safety measures, still the child, if is being handed a YouTube with the phone or something कि आपने उसको दे दिया और वो खुद से कर रहा है, there is a lot of content that is not child appropriate has been shown in middle. बच्चा खुद से कुछ ना कुछ, yeah, exactly, खुद ना कुछ click कर रहा है. So first of all, we don't need to like, it's just unfortunate. One more thing is parents. I don't want to put down parents, because parents को बहुत बार पता है, they are so overwhelmed, Shruti, या इतना fast paced हो गई है दुनिया, इतना workload आ गया है. A mother, a father are working, there is suppose no nanny or so no caretaker, चला के phone दे दिया. But I just feel a thing we can reflect as parents is that यहाँ पे हमारी प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो गई टेम्पररी, कि बच्चा ने देख लिया, हमारा काम खत्म हो गया. ओके, वॉट एवर द वर्क इज, we sometimes genuinely have some work that needs to be done and we give the child the phone or YouTube लगा के दे दिया. Now the only problem or the only thing I would request parents to kind of think is, कि आप सोचो कि उसके जो रिपरकशंस है, जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आप ही फेस करेंगे अपने बच्चे की तरफ, लाइक एज यू सेड, वर्चुअल ऑटिज्म, स्पीच डिलेज, behaviors that we cannot, it's really difficult for us to manage. तो वो जो repercussions है वो भी हमें ही face करने हैं. Then we are like, now what to do with the child? So यहाँ पे समझना जरूरी है कि अगर हमने अभी से, we have to go out of our way, take help, ask help, कुछ भी करो, but if we are substituting the babysitter as a YouTube video, we are going in the wrong direction, because the पीछे का जो consequence है वो हमें ही face करना है और हमारे बच्चे को ज्यादा face करना है. So where are we looking? मतलब हमने कुछ अच्छा तो किया नहीं उसके हिसाब से. If continuously the child is watching for hours and hours.
एंड इवन लाइक यू सेड कि ये बहुत डेंजरस भी है, एंड ऑल्सो कि जो आप कह रहे हो पेरेंट्स बिजी हैं, बट देयर इज वन थिंग ऑल्सो कि इवन पेरेंट्स हु आर वर्किंग, राइट, दे आर इन गिल्ट कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू, बट आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ housewives, especially the mothers or fathers sitting at home also are doing the same thing because they are not physically present with the kid,
True.
although they are at home. So I think a quality time is needed. Make
Very true.
some things, where you spend quality time instead of कि आप घर में हो, टीवी लगा दिया और आप किचन में कुकिंग कर रहे हो. So that will also not work. So whether you are working or not working,
Yeah.
you have to plan few
Yes.
things,
Yes.
and you have to keep, मतलब एक मिशन है आपका कि till 5 to 6 years जितना मोबाइल
Yes.
से आप दूर रखो. So, and we all, Zainab, me, and I think lot of parent coaches, we all are with you कि जहां पर भी
Yes,
आपको हेल्प चाहिए,
definitely.
you guys can anytime come to us. And I think Zainab has some uh, early childhood education, like some plays also. So you can anytime, come to us, and don't hesitate कि what is this parent coaching. So main मेरा जो मोटो है वो यही है कि ये सब spread हो, to spread awareness कि why parent coaches are needed. बिकॉज एक बार 6 years 7 years में ब्रेन डेवलप हो गया ना, उसके बाद आपको 100 times मेहनत करके भी वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा जो इफ यू वर्क इन फॉर फर्स्ट 5 years.
True, true, true. और मतलब there is this blessing that has come with today's time, because हमारे टाइम में, हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम में, there was nothing as such as parent coach क्या. Like when I speak to my own mother, she's like, I wish there was someone like you, at time ना इतना easily available नहीं था, education इतनी नहीं थी और awareness भी इतनी नहीं थी. So if we can be like, okay, कि हाँ मतलब अगर हम प्रॉब्लम में हैं, अगर हम थोड़ी भी प्रॉब्लम में हैं, तो हम कैसे उसका सोल्यूशन निकाल सके. तो फॉर एवरीथिंग वी गो, मतलब तो बच्चे को कुछ होता है हम पीडियाट्रिशियन के पास चले जाते हैं, लाइक बेसिक थिंग्स. So why not take one session with some parent coach? And it's not me or Shruti. It could be anybody,
Right.
someone that you feel comfortable with. But somebody that we can talk to and kind of just take tips also कि कैसे इस challenge को हम navigate कर सके. And in terms of parents showing screens to the child, the only thing is that when we are showing the screens, normally भी अगर हम किचन में भी काम कर रहे हैं, we can take the child along with us. थोड़ा messy होगा, time लगेगा, but these skills are so much important. फिर I have teenagers coming and they are like the parents of teenagers कि बच्चा काम ही नहीं कर रहा, उसको पता ही नहीं है, because we have done everything from there for them in the early years. because हमने बोला कि तुम किचन में मत आना, तुम कपड़े मत सुखाना, no, nothing, you need to know nothing, you just do your studies. So
Right.
if you want a holistic development of the child, you have to involve the child in those areas where all those skills are building up for the child. And young में तो आप देखोगे बच्चे आ रहे, खुद से आ रहे, उसको घुसा के लाना नहीं पड़ रहा है,
वो
and when they
टॉयज
grow older they're like no.
और पता है, इफ यू बाय एक्सपेंसिव टॉयज और रख दो, दे डोंट इवन टच इट. बट इफ यू आर घर में कुछ भी काम हो रहा है, सो दे विल बी हैप्पी, इवन लाइक डस्टिंग कर रहे हैं या दे आर स्प्रेइंग कोलिन, एवरीथिंग दे जस्ट एंजॉय इट मोर देन यू बाय 100,000 के हम टॉयज परचेज कर लेते
Very
हैं.
true.
तो
Very true.
ये भी एक है. सो थैंक यू सो मच, to bring those points and to spread this awareness, and just आप आए यहाँ पे. So that's really nice of you, Zainab, and spreading this awareness. So I just want to end it with one thing, with what Maria Montessori believes in, and we and Zainab and we all believe that, instead of working in your universities, instead of working when your child is in universities, try to work for first 5 to 6 years with your kid, and I can bet that you will be amazed by the results. Instead of working later, work first 5 years and you will see कि ना आपको उसके होमवर्क के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा, ना ही आपको उसके स्क्रीन टाइम के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा. So just think about or read kare the importance of these 5 years as early education. So what do you think? Right, for me it's really important. I think
Yes.
from the whole
Yes.
phase till we are 80 years also, the most important is those 5 to 6 years.
Very true, Shruti. I think I could not agree anymore because we all and we have done those research and we are reading those researches and it's all available also. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We all, even the way of our managing skills, our emotions, everything is grounded in those first 5, 6 years, and then we build up on it with our kids. But whatever your age of your kid is, यहाँ पे अभी like you're like अभी 6 years खत्म हो गए, now what do I do? You've not messed up your kid. It's never too late for your child. You can always work on building that connection. अगर screen time ज़्यादा हो रहा है, always think that you are the leader. You're not to be a friend of the child. You are the leader who has to guide the child जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है. And that's about it. That's your true job to making an adult who is responsible for their own life. तो वहां से अभी से start करना पड़ेगा age appropriately.
Yeah. So thank you,
Thank you
Zainab,
so
for your time,
much,
and I hope
Shruti,
it
for
will be
having me.
helpful to.
Yes.
It will be great to that it will be helpful to people
Yes.
around us. And thank you again.
Thank
Happy
you
evening, guys.
so
Happy
much.
evening. Happy evening
Yes.
to everyone.
Thank you
Bye
so much,
bye.
Shruti, for your initiative, and thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.